welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I made these, which are really good for weddings, centerpieces, actually any type of party. For this one we will be using it for a unicorn themed birthday party, and I'll show you guys how I did this. But I think this is so cute for weddings as well. It's so romantic. I'm gonna be adding these tea lights on there, and you guys can see how pretty that looks. I also show you guys how I made this bouquet, which I've also done in the past, but except I use nothing but red roses. Whoops, sorry. I used nothing but red roses, and this I purchased it at Ross, and it was only $9.99. Let's see, $9.99. But for this one I did use it for my cousin's twins birthday party. It was a Beauty and the Beast theme, and this is what we used in the background for the candy table, pastry candy table, which is what you guys can use them for, or again for wedding centerpieces, party centerpieces. This is really cute. So if you guys want to know how I did these, then please keep watching. When I purchased these, they didn't have them in gold, which is why I'm going to go ahead and spray paint these in brilliant gold. If you guys can find them gold, then that's better. You guys save time and money from buying the spray paint. So I'll go ahead and do that. Now that they are fully dry, they actually look a little more gold. I haven't done the second coat, but I think they look really good. I'm just gonna flip them actually and do the bottom instead of doing a second coat on top. So for this, we're gonna use 6 of these. Already spray painted them. We're going to use the Fix All adhesive. I guess it's a small sized foam ball, and then your choice of flowers. These I found them at our local 99-cent store. It's not the 99-cent store only store. It's one of those small business 99-cent stores. But this whole bouquet was, I think it was $2. I'm not sure, but they look very, very realistic. And then this is how it will look once I fix it in this little foam ball. So I'll go ahead and show you guys how I did that, even though I'm pretty sure there's hundreds of videos that show how to do this. I'll still go ahead and show you guys. So before I start doing the bouquet, I'm gonna go ahead and glue 3 of these together so that they can dry, and they won't be falling off when I glue the flowers. By the way, you guys have to make sure that they align so that they can stand on there better, because the shapes are different, so make sure that they fit well together. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut a few of these flowers. I won't need all of them because I am doing small foam balls, so it could be smaller. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut a few of these. Also the little green leaves and all the little small green flowers as well. So I ended up using 19 flowers total for this one. So I went ahead and cut 19 for this, 10 pinks and 9 white ones. So I'll go ahead and show you guys how I did that, just in case you guys were wondering around how many flowers I used. Okay, so first I did the whole section going like this, and then I did the whole section going like that, and now I'm just gonna fill in those spaces in there. Now all I'm gonna do is just fix the leaves, make sure that the foam isn't showing. You can adjust it however you want. Okay, and now that these are dry, what you can do is you can either put more of the Fix All adhesive on here and just glue this on there so it won't fall at all, or in case you plan on changing the colors, like for example if it's for your house and you plan on changing the bouquet to like different colors throughout the season, then you can just leave it as is. You don't have to glue it, but that's how it looks. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put the little candle tea lights on there so you guys can see what it looks like with that as well, which you guys can leave as is or add it however you guys want. I just think in the night you guys can turn these on and they'll look so pretty. Oh, this one's not working. Okay, there we go. You guys can add just 2, or you guys can add on the 3rd one as well, like that. It'll look nicer in the night, of course. Right now it's bright, but that's how it will look. So you guys can do all 3 or just 2, since this one is kind of covered by the little leaves. But it's totally up to you guys, however you guys want to do this. But that's what they look like. And I hope you guys like them. Thank you guys so much for watching. And please like, comment, subscribe if you guys want to keep seeing more of these videos. Thank you.